We had two big, beautiful burgundy mums last fall. I trimmed them back this past winter when they were dormant. One has come back, but the other appears to only have the front of the plant. Literally, it's like the whole back half is gone. Why did half my mum plant die over the winter? And this is from Bethany. So why do you think the plant died, Tonya?
Probably too wet, not enough drainage, and the roots rotted in that area, and maybe a fungal thing set up. In general, when you cut back your mums, though, you want to leave about 6 inches from the ground. You leave a little bit of that vegetation. You don't want to cut them back too terribly late, because then you don't want to risk the frost damage. So those are some tips, but probably poor drainage.
Poor drainage is, yeah. Definitely first thing that came to my mind. Our winters, of course, when it's wet, right? So I would always think about rotten roots, you know, especially for those mums sitting there. And a lot of the mums, you think about it, that you get from the big box stores and, you know, some of your nurseries are annuals.
You can get some garden mums that'll come back, but most of them are annuals.
Yeah, most of them are annuals. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.